'65 Ford Mustang. The neighbor got it for only $3,000. It hasn't run in 13 years.
The brake started to work, John.
I can't believe it started right up.
Let me go get the thing and we'll drive it.
It didn't even go wrong. It just room. It started.
Are you gonna get in with me when I drive it?
Yeah, because they put gas in it. The people that had to put a new fuel pump in it, brand new gas tank. Ooh, they got a gas tank made by Spectra, made in Canada. They put a new carburetor on it. I can't believe it started right up. It didn't even go room. It just went room. He's gonna start it right now. I think it was a deal for $3,000. It even had air condition. It's got rust here and there, like right here. This isn't that bad. Above the windshield, there's rust down below the door too. It could all be fixed. That's a trailer wheel. He put it on there. Tire was flat. He got a lot of moldings that came with it. Here's a cold start. Did you even check the radiator? Will you go for a ride in it?
Yeah, around the field.
Will you spin some cookies? It hasn't driven in 13 years. Oh no, it's popping and spitting. It might have shut off. Here he comes. It don't have no brakes. It sounds like it needs a good tune-up. I think he just put new spark plugs in it. Mark, what's wrong with it?
I don't know, shut off.
It feels like it's spitting and popping.
Yeah, it is.
Did you put the new plugs in?
Yeah.
It did drive. Did it feel good to drive?
Yeah.
Did you feel it shift the gears?
No.
It stayed in one gear?
Let me try and start it again. I gotta take it on the hard road. I can't feel anything but bumps out there.
Will you drive it again?
Yeah. Look how the harmonic balance looks crooked.
Wow.
See that?
It's really crooked. Look, go out this way and come back.
It's just so bumpy.
It's a 64.5 with the Florida title. Clean title. The old man died. There's all kinds of stuff in there brand new. He was gonna restore it. A brand new dash, brand new headliner, all those chrome trims. It hasn't run since 2009, 13 years. I want to drive my S10 pickup. It hasn't run in 12 years. I got a brand new gas tank for it. Where'd he go? Brand new gas tank made by Spectra out of Canada. Was $110 at AutoZone.
I'm taking it down the road and see if it ships.
Huh?
I'm gonna take it down the road and see if it ships.
Where?
Just down our road.
Wipe it in there.
Yeah.
Well, you're taking all the way to the end.
Yeah. It's not running good.
It's running rough.
Yeah.
Are all the plug wires on?
Yeah. Look at these. It's air conditioning.
Wow.
Ooh. Feel it bottom out from those shocks?
Yeah.
It needs shocks.
They're probably dead shock.
Yeah.
Does it have any brakes at all?
Yeah.
Here comes the sheriff. Who is that? Who? It'll stop?
Oh, it just shifted.
Huh?
It shifted. Yeah, it'll stop.
You need to change the fluid in the transmission and the... Will you go back up Roosevelt?
Oh, you feel we got a shaky tire?
Huh?
We have a shaky tire.
Oh yeah, shaky
No, I'm just
tire.
gonna make a U-turn.
You got a good deal for 3,000. Huh? Maybe 50,000 restored.
No, they only sell for like 20 or 25.
Is there a special name or just Mustang?
Look how it has no side mirrors, Sean.
How high what?
Side mirrors.
Is it just called a Mustang or?
Yeah.
It needs the timing set. Huh? Is the brakes really good?
Yeah. Yeah, look, I can stop fast.
Wow. They'll need all redone.
I'm gonna wash this sucker.
That's the original dash.
Yeah. I have a brand new one to put in.
The grandpa owned this. Some grandpa bought this brand new in '65.
Ooh, the speedometer works.
How many miles is on it?
80, looks like 81. Nope, 83. 83,000. I'm gonna put a different motor in it.
Reverse it out. It might just be low on fluid. Go for another ride in the field.
Hopefully it'll work if I can find reverse. It reversed in the field. That's reverse, but it's not going. Shit.
How old would it be? 45 years old? 65 from 2022?
I think 55, yeah. That's old, don't you think?
Yeah. You'll put a different motor in?
Yeah. One that's all rebuilt and fixed up.
Why don't you rebuild the one that's in here?
I don't like 289. It's too old. It's from the 60s.
What's in your truck?
A Cobra Mustang motor.
Where will you go with it?
Over here on the side where I parked the buggy.
Well, it's got an old AM radio. Only.
Really?
Yeah. No FM.
So that's parked. Try reverse again.
Wow.
Yep.
How far will it go though?
I don't know.
Try to back up and see if it'll go. You're gonna blow it up.
Let's get out. Look, you pull the
are
handle.
You gonna try to back it up?
Push the handle forward. See this?
Wow, those were on my 65 Ford van, those old headlight switches.
Look, see this? Push the door handle forward to get out.
I had a 64 Ford Falcon van, a 65. One of those was a choke. How'd you get out? I can't get out. Is that factory air, do you think?
Yeah.
Look at the rust.
Yep. I gotta fix all that.
What's making that door jar?
I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I wasn't even supposed to do all this crap to it that I've been doing. Wasted a lot of time on this car today.
It's not wasted.
It's still spinning.
You got to hear it run.
Oh, we should have put the air filter on. Maybe that's why I wasn't.
What's this about? Look.
Popping.
Somebody rigged this.
No, it's supposed to be like that.
That's not factory.
Yeah, it's a vent cover.
I never seen nothing like that.
It's weird. All right, well, I'm gonna wash it.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna load the buggy.
It should come out real good.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while.